Hello and welcome to Learn Maths with Bola. So today we have the question: if a number is chosen at random from integers within the range of 5 to 25 inclusive, find the probability that the number is a multiple of 5 or 3. Very easy. We'll be using the law probability to solve this question because we are asked to find probability. Now, if we write the numbers 5 to 25, don't forget that the question says that it is not just the numbers in that range, but 5 and 25 are also included. Now, the multiples of 5 in the list of numbers are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. And the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. We find the total of each. That means we count how many numbers are within the range of 5 to 25, how many multiples of 5 do we have, and how many multiples of 3 do we have. So here we have it on the screen. You have 21 numbers within the range of 5 and 25. Then we have 5 multiples of 5. And also 7 multiples of 3. Now, the probability that you have a multiple of 5 when you pick a number at random is number of the multiple of 5 over total number. That means how many multiples of 5 do we have there over the total numbers in that series. And that gives us 5 over 21. Then for the multiple of 3, the probability that you choose a number that is a multiple of 3 is equal to number of multiples of 3 over total number. And then you have 7 over 21. So now, to find the probability that you are going to choose a multiple of 5 or 3, so when you are using the or statement, then you add the numbers together. So you add the probability of multiple of 5 plus the probability of multiple of 3. And that will give us 5 over 21 plus 7 over 21, which is 12 over 21. And don't forget that when you are dealing with probability, the answer must always be in the lowest form. So when we take this to the lowest form, we have 4 over 7. So the probability that you will choose a number that is a multiple of 5 or a multiple of 3 is 4 over 7. In simple terms, that means that out of 7 chances, like when you pick 7 numbers, 4, that is the probability that that number will be a multiple of 5 or 3. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Remember to send it to your friends and your family, and make requests of any other topic you want us to solve in the comment section. Bye.